So, a while ago, I uploaded an edit that involved the theory I have about Octavia from Hell of a Boss. The edit was outside my normal type of content, it didn't get very many views, so I decided to make this video explaining it. Basically, I was rewatching season 1 of Hell of a Boss and I noticed this.
A nightmare.
I was looking all over the palace, and I couldn't find you anywhere. You weren't there.
This part might not seem like it's very important, but let me break down why it is. So we know that Stolas, due to his goetic heritage, has some innate magical abilities. According to Paimon, he's supposed to study the stars and find prophecies and such. Octavia, being his daughter, has inherited some of these abilities, as we see in Sinnsmith. What I think is happening here is that Octavia's nightmare was actually a vision of her walking around the palace in Sinnsmith. I know this theory is a little bit out there, but I mean, just look at these camera angles. They're the same. They even use a withering plant to represent Stolas. This theory also makes things a lot more depressing because it means that Octavia from a very young age had this nightmare of the future and slowly watched it become reality. She slowly watched her father become more and more distant, occupying himself with things that don't involve her and changing around his priorities, until eventually he just throws his life away for someone that she personally finds insignificant. Like, it's no wonder she had the reaction she did in Sinnsmith. Something a lot of people seem to not understand is that Stolas is a very absent father. By the way, has anyone else noticed that Vivzie only knows how to write absent fathers? I mean, literally, all of them are just absent fathers.
I'm so good at daddying.
Anyway, both of the episodes about Octavia revolve around this fact. And although both come to a resolution, this is the only interaction we see between them. Which only makes you wonder how many times he's been absent off screen. Like, if Stolas truly learned his lesson in season 1, then why is he repeating the same mistakes in season 2? I mean, all these pieces come together to tell a story about a girl who was loved by her father, but because of different reasons, over time, distance grew between them. Now adding my theory onto this that she knew the entire time because of a nightmare, and that makes this even more depressing. But I mean, I could be wrong, and it could just be foreshadowing, but let me know what you guys think. Do you think that Octavia had a vision of Sinnsmith? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow for more Helliverse analysis, and with that, I'm out of here.